It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one. Altcoins in crypto are about to explode. And I'm going to show you a few things on the charts from a TA perspective. We're also going to talk about a tweet that could have changed everything short term and the healthiness of this correction, and also why we're starting to see some type of strength in the market, right? So guys, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It was crazy that Elon posted this about the U.S. national no debt. Now this is crazy right here, right? And this is why people were asking. They were like, well, Millie, you showed us the XRT chart. Where is this money coming from? And I got to double down on it. You can see this is the XRT chart. We just got a bullish cross on the ultimate RSI, and the chart here is looking like it's about to explode. If you don't know what the XRP chart is, aka S&P Retail ETF, which covers a whole bunch of different things. I think I actually got it pulled up for you guys for the people who did miss the live stream. So it takes into account stuff like apparel retail, automotive retails, just stuff that consumers buy, retail buys, right? And they use this as a number to predict the healthiness of the savings account of retail, right? So, and I actually look into this. I think this is just the U.S., right? I don't think this is in the entire world, but this is the U.S., right? And then, we're in the States, so I want to focus on what's happening from a macro standpoint in the economy. But we're seeing this move here from the XRT, which tells me that somebody got some money. Some of y'all got some money, right? So regardless of how it feels, there's money and liquidity right now inside the market, and well, right now out there, and it's starting to go into the market. As you see, that stable coin market cap also rising too. You guys can check out DeFi Llama. So I think that this is bullish for crypto. And then when I went to look at Bitcoin, and I forgot to talk about this in the live stream, we had got an ultimate RSI cross here on the Lux algo, and we're still above this orange line. So technically, what have we known? As long as we can stay above this orange line, Bitcoin goes up. You can really just look at it. As long as it stays above this orange line, it's a positive trend for BTC every time. So this, in my opinion, this is bullish because we're still above this. We had a little bit of a correction, but the market continues to have resolve and stay strong. Altcoins do look a little bit different, right? We haven't had that ultimate RSI cross on a Lux algo for the total 3. So right now, I believe that there's an opportunity with altcoins. This is why I'm so freaking bullish right now, because we already got it on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin seems to be hovering around it. Guys, if we get the ultimate RSI cross on the total 3, you're going to see a lot of these coins move. You're already starting to see like things pop here and there. White Rock, Zabek, right? Things popping off here and there. But if we get a RSI cross on a Lux algo, you can see every time this thing printed very, very nice moves from altcoins. And this is the total 3. So anybody who's saying altcoins have moved, guys, they haven't moved yet. You still have a chance. You still have a chance. And this next move, in my opinion, is going to be a very violent move. Bitcoin is probably going to go to 120 to 130. And altcoins, once we get this cross here, and that liquidity rotation into ETH. Speaking of ETH, let's make sure ETH actually hasn't had that cross. So ETH just got this cross as well. So guys, I can't stress this enough. You're about to see a lot of altcoins go crazy. Because look, something like Jasmy, even though Ethereum already got that cross, Jasmy hasn't gotten that cross yet. So I'm bullish. I am bullish. A nice, good move. I truly believe a nice, good move is coming from crypto. Every time Ethereum got this stock RSI cross here on the Lux algo ultimate RSI, it has always been a very, very nice move. You can look at it every time. And I'm talking about when it's staying above and hovering above that orange line. Look at these moves that we actually see from Ethereum. So we just got this cross from Ethereum. I believe Ethereum is about to make a major move, and it's going to take some altcoins with it, guys. I can't stress this enough, right? Solana hasn't even had its ultimate RSI cross yet. So, there's some opportunity out there in crypto. And we had a little one from Tau, but Tau looks like if Tau can hold above it, I can see Tau continuing to move as well. So I truly believe that altcoins are about to make a big move. I just feel it. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. And we also got a little ultimate RSI cross on the ETH BTC. ETH BTC also looking to break that key resistance. So I can't tell you where the money's coming from, right? But it looks like, right? It looks like, this stuff is really, really, really bullish right now. Really, really bullish. There are things that's a little bit overextended, like ZBCN. This is what I was trying to explain to y'all, like ZBCN a little bit overextended, but you can see it's still bullish. It's still above this ultimate RSI orange line. So in my opinion, this is still bullish. This is a healthy correction. It's going to allow people to come and pick up that ZBCN that they've been wanting to buy, right? People have been wanting to buy. So very, very nice setups here. You can see this is DAG Constellation. There's a few coins that haven't had that ultimate RSI cross, guys. I'm telling you, if Ethereum explodes from here, we are going to see some crazy moves. Some crazy moves, man. Crazy moves. Let's see if that Bitcoin dominance is starting to come down a little bit. And we're literally staring at us ultimate RSI cross to the downside here with the Bitcoin dominance. Like, the stage is set for altcoins to go ballistic. Now let's talk about some of the things that are happening inside the market. I like what I'm seeing from the stock market. We're seeing that ultimate RSI also on stuff like the QQQ, right? So this is healthy for tech stocks and stuff like that. When it comes to crypto and high risk on assets. But we haven't seen that ultimate RSI cross on the others chart, similar to the total 3. This is why we're seeing it across the board, but we haven't seen it yet. This is why you're probably hearing it like, this is your last time to load up on altcoins. It's looking like something is about to happen. And I think it's a good chance we move to the upside versus the downside. And of course, anything happen, but I'm a little bit excited for what's to come, right? I'm not going to be disappointed if that move doesn't happen, but it looks like it wants to happen, right? The S&P 500 erased its 2025 losses and posted its best monthly gain since 2023 in May. Nvidia continues to power tech rallies, advancing 3% today and briefly passing Microsoft in the market cap. Key market movements include the NASDAQ entering a new bull market and gaining momentum from the AI chip maker advances. Clean energy stocks are also surging with 4% gains today. We got some macro news, mixed signals, of course. Trade tensions, U.S.-China negotiations continue with 90-day suspension. We talked about that. Major indices have recovered from April lows. We're seeing good market recovery across stocks, crypto, risk on assets. United Health faces challenges, though, while tech companies show strength. Fed Watch, you got the Powell offered no new policy guidance at a recent conference. We talked about how that was a nothing burger yesterday. Mining stocks hitting 52-week highs, advertising stocks under pressure, right? So there are still some macro wins out there as debt is at an all-time high. And many would question, how is the XRT putting in those type of moves? Where is this money coming from? Well, I believe that they're doing some sort of silent QE. Right, and we're still looking for the market to price in 3 Fed cuts: September, October, and November. Let me know in the comments if you think that will happen, right? So tariffs uncertainties persist despite recent trade negotiations. This tech sector continues to show strength with the AI and semiconductor stocks leading the gain. So AI will always be a narrative that I think is going to make a lot of people money this cycle. Tesla faces mixed signals with European sales declining, but robo-taxi launch plan. Let's check out some other stocks outside of just the QQQ. We like to look at the SPY and also stuff like Tesla. So you can see here the SPY with that ultimate RSI cross. Look, stocks and crypto look really, really good right now. Really, really, really good. Let's see if we can see if that move hasn't happened yet for Tesla just yet. Hasn't happened yet for Tesla. So Tesla, you still got that opportunity if you believe we're about to get a nice good move to the upside as far as risk on assets. Guys, let me know what you think about the market. Altcoin season it's looking like, remember when I said that we were running out of time? And we talked about this, right? We talked about this on the live stream. I don't know. I actually do have it pulled up. We talked about this, the chart here. We talked about it on the live stream. Like, we're running out of time. So if the move is going to happen, the move needs to happen now. And it looks like, from a TA perspective, when I look at things across the board, it looks like it's a good chance that the move is about to happen. Guys, let me know what you think about. Of course, anything can happen. Who knows? I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm not saying I'm an expert. Who knows? But I must continue to just be on that bullish side and assume that the next move will be to the upside, even though anything can happen. But guys, y'all let me know. Engage with the video. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.